Okay, so open your job.
Okay.
And then when you go there, you're going to go to the room. Then go to cabinet and switch it to the new one we just did, right? That's the one right there, right? That's the one you're using. Now, moving forward, okay?
Yep.
We just kind of copied the existing one over, so nothing's really changed, right? And so anything you change now, if you go in here and modify for the room, you can still save it to the system. You know what I mean, for future jobs. So as we're fine-tuning all the systems, okay?
Okay. Okay.
That's all. I just want to kind of personalize that. I usually do that early. That's fine.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have to play around with that to figure out what works. So
if you want to go in and see how the drawer things, you know, how you do the drawers, that kind of the next, because that was your concern, right? So go into room. Let's just look at this for a second, because I didn't want to leave that untouched. And so cabinet, and then so drawer menu. No, it's down here. Yeah. You want to have 32 there, right? 32.
Yeah.
You have to save that out, right? You have to save this job out with that in it.
Yeah.
That's the one we're using, right? Because we just copied the one you were using over, right?
Yes, right.
You know, do that. Okay. So let's look in here. This is where it gets into that machining for the door fronts and stuff.
Yeah, and I went through this today. Yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay. So this is your 5 pieces. Is this the one you're doing or not?
Yeah, for this job, yes, which is rare that we build these drawers, but because it cut out today with a dado in here, and I'm pretty sure I got it modified correctly where the quarter.
Is this the one you're using now? Or,
No.
I thought you were using the other one.
Well, this particular job is a 5-piece drawer. Most of them that we do are a tandem box, the one we downloaded yesterday.
Okay, great. So we're just going to go back, but you've got a modified 5-piece drawer. I don't know what that one is.
Probably because I dadoed. Yep, the bottom's a 1/2 inch up, and yeah, we dadoed it. Yeah, so that's when I did this, it probably saved it as modified. It auto correct or renamed itself.
Yeah, I guess, but I don't know if you saved it out or not. But you can just finish this for now. Okay. And if you're done, you got to hit this to save it out to the system, so it'll be available on other jobs, right? Otherwise, you're just changing it for this job. And when you do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do that, it gives you if you complete the wizard, it gives you a check mark. So that tells you you've run that part of the wizard.
Okay.
If it doesn't say that, you haven't done it.
Okay.
So just save it, or if you want to. What I was going to show you is that we should go into the exit out of it and then go subfront. That's what they got here. Okay. Next, just look at the questions it's going to ask you, right?
Yeah, and that's correct.
That's good. Yeah. Keep going. Goes down to 1/2 inch. Next. Goes down to 0. It's a butt joint.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Top flush.
Okay. Okay. Now what's it asking you here?
Yeah.
Drawer front mounting holes. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes. Well.
Okay. Next.
Well, these are. I mean, these can go anywhere, but those. Okay. What you're raising? Shoot.
Okay. That's all right. We'll go back over it. Elevation. Okay. Now, what you can do, I'm going to show you a couple of things. Go to the room now. Okay. We're going to see. So, because you don't want all uppers to be this material, do you? Only the ones with exposed interiors. So go to cabinet. And go to materials. Okay. So now right here, for the upper cabinets, if it's exposed interior, you wanted to choose your maple melamine.
Gotcha. Okay.
That's not the one you did, though, is it?
Nope, exactly.
There you go. Okay, there you go. Now, see, all your exposed interiors will be that. All your normal uppers will be that.
Okay, gotcha. So,
okay now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now, these are all multiple. Is this exposed interior?
Yes.
Okay, double click on one and look at the materials now. It's not there, is it? Let's go back.
No, it's not.
What do you got? Okay, now touch the cabinet, right button, properties. It does say exposed interior. Okay, well, let's try this now. Let's get out of this. I'm a little confused by that. The fact you started this in an older version or something might have had something to do with it. I'm not really sure. But go to, double click on it again. Okay, and then go section edit and go to properties. And then go to materials. Okay, so see, this is still holding on. This is another way to do it. So, and typically, unless it sometimes locks it in place so it doesn't give it to you because you've already gone in here and edited it a certain way. So that, anyway, do that. Normally it would be fine. Okay, so now look at a cut list and see if it's correct.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so let's go. If you actually go in and edit a cabinet a little bit, then it's going to lock onto that no matter what you do on the room level.
Okay. So I noticed this, I'm rabbit trailing, but exterior banding, which is 1/2 mil, that's not 1/16 though, is it?
Well, you might be rounding off. What are you rounding off to down here? The nearest 16th? So change that to 1,000th or something. Or whatever. Okay, so that's really 32nd. But that's white millimeter, but you would know to match it to the right, it probably doesn't matter much. But
well, it just makes a difference when it's cutting out doors that we're getting the correct 1/8 spacing. So 0.05.
Yeah, the real number is existing, but this right down here is just what do you want to round the number off to? That's all it's telling you.
Okay. So 0.03, that looks like the closest that we're going to get then.
Well, that's the 32nd, but you could go and change the thickness of your PVC to whatever you want it to be. I mean, 32nd is about right for PVC, I think.
Yeah, it's typically 1/2 mil. So can we set edge banding for 1/2 mil somewhere?
Yeah, well, okay, you got PVC white selected. So you go to the material, PVC white. So get out of this and close your job and go to the material. I'd save it. Then go to your material.
Oh.
Just type PVC in.
Sorry, hit material schedule.
Sorry. Material. Now go to PVC. Or just type PVC up here. Okay, this way. PVC enter. Okay, which one? White PVC. Okay, double click on it. Okay, now don't round it to the nearest 32nd. Make it millimeters if you want to. Don't round it to the nearest millimeter and a half. That's good. Go to banding.
This one here?
Yeah, I would do anything, but you don't want to round it off. I don't know why they do that. Right here. So that's your thickness right there.
Okay.
0.5 would be 1/2 millimeter.
Yeah. Okay.
Hit enter. Okay, now what else you can do? Just return, because you've done this one. You know another thing you can do?
Yeah.
Look right up here. Go to banding. You can change multiple things at once. But you're rounding it to the nearest 32nd. So you want to make it metric down here?
Sure.
Make it 1,000th. Or 0.1 or something. So that's 1/2 mil. You want to make them all 1/2 mil?
No, because the wood grain's a little bit thicker, so we can leave those alone.
Well, this is all PVC though. This isn't.
Oh, yeah.
It's right here. Change it to all 0.5. All your PVC is probably the same.
Yeah. Typically, right. Okay, let me make sure. Okay.
You're looking at only PVC banding right now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Return?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
All right, now go to your material schedule right here. And pull up that maple melamine thing again, right here. One you just created, maple melamine. Okay, now see the banding you're using here? If you're using maple melamine, you go PVC here. Enter. So take the PVC wood grain and then just drop it right there on those two interiors. I guess that's what you want.
Yeah, it really doesn't matter, but for
Yeah.
getting
Yeah.
legal about it, I guess.
Yeah, I'm just saying, this is,
Yeah.
you can fine tune this thing where you want. Okay, that's good. All right, return, and then open your job, and then you can then go and do the other. Update the job, with these new thicknesses of edge management stuff. All right, now go into that upper cabinet over here. Look at your banding and all that stuff. You'll see our thicknesses reflected. It should.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to go here pretty quick. I've been gone all day and kind of beat. We can do some more tomorrow though.
Okay.
So you got the PVC wood grain. This is just fine tuned a little bit more, and then now go down here and make it millimeters to make sure you got the right thickness.
Yeah.
If you go to the end view, you can actually see the edge banding too. Zoom in.
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
Get all that right. That'll make all the things a little bit better.
Okay. One more quick thing. This guy here, this too is an exposed interior.
Okay, touch it. Right button. Make it exposed.
Okay.
Okay. And then just double click on it. Let's just see if it is. That's a base cabinet, right? So you don't really have any. You know what you can do? You can go in here, but go to section edit. Just do cabinet by cabinet too. You can go there and then go to properties, and then go to materials and make it maple melamine, right? That's what I would choose right here. Just make it a standard, but you're just changing it, right?
Yeah.
And is it maple? Did you make an exposed interior?
Yes.
So you don't have to make it an exposed interior. You can just go to the cabinet and make it what you want it to be.
Gotcha. Okay. So if she wants this cabinet with all, as you can see here, there's just holes per shelf. I want to bore the whole thing.
Okay, double click on it. Go to properties, go to boring. And then you're going to say, right here, bore all holes.
And that's just per that cabinet.
Yep, go to 3D. You can be able to see what you're looking at. Double click on it and go to the editor.
Oops. Oh, yeah.
And then go to 3D. Let's get what you see. Make it wireframe, which is easier to see. Now you can also make it wireframe up here.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so you can also do this though. Now if you look at the end view, you'll see the first hole. It's like way too high. You'll never put anything up there or down there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do this. Go back to section edit. Go to properties, boring. Okay, so you can actually put, where's the first hole going to be? Say 3 inches up, from the bottom, or 10 inches up from the bottom, or whatever. Right. 5 millimeter front setback. You can set it back further, another 6 inches.
That's from
It's a balanced panel, right?
From the
It's balanced panel. It's going to be 6 to the top and the bottom. So say okay, and you go look at it.
It's not balanced. I doubt that's balanced.
Well, then it's just going to make it 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. Because it's only giving you the first hole, right?
Yeah.
I think you want to call it that, but we'll try it and see, because you want the first hole to be balanced, I think.
Well, for this one, it doesn't matter because it's just shelves.
Go look at it. Well, you want it to be, it'll look better balanced. So say okay, and then go to the end view. Right here.
Oh, shit.
Okay, so you're in millimeters, sorry. I think these are all millimeter things right here. Yeah, see right here? These are all millimeter numbers. So make that 300 or something. 300 would be 6 millimeters, or that'd be 3 millimeters.
I don't. Okay. I did centimeters.
Okay, now go to the end view now.
Okay. So when it's okay. So that was a little confusion there because boring. I'm saying when it mentions balanced panels, I'm thinking balanced panel like in this pearls, but it's just talking about making.
No, balanced panel means the top and bottom first hole is going to be equal. That's all that means.
Gotcha. Okay.
6